Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this square root addition, that is root 9 plus root 16 is what? 7 degree, root 7, root 49, we are none. So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So root 9 plus root 16, root 9 we can write it as 3 square plus root 16 as 4 square. So, with the help of this square, we can eliminate the square root. So, what is left? 3 plus 4 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, we don't have option 7. So, we can tick as none, but 7 degree is not the correct. Root 7 is not equals to 7. Root 49, we can write it as 7 square. Again, with the help of this square, we can eliminate the square root. So, what is left? 7. So, which is the correct option? Option number C. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down below related to any math query. Thank you so much for watching.